A very good day to Madam and also my friends. Today I will explain about Lab 3, Confliction of Static Friction. First of all, I will introduce my group members, Ani Sofia binti Hussein Sukri, Muhammad Akimi binti Mansoor, and myself, Kushalini Anaprampa David Kumar. We are in Lab 4. Then we move on to the lab report. The objective of this lab is to investigate confliction of static friction, COF, subjected to different angles. Second, to understand the relationship between surface roughness and the confliction of static friction. Synopsis and theory of this lab. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding against each other. Friction is not a fundamental force but occurs because of the electromagnetic forces between charged particles which constitute the surfaces in contact. Friction of frictional force. Friction of frictional force is the force that acts between two surfaces in contact when the surfaces of two bodies are in contact with each other, a force that requires to move or slide one of them over another. This is because they are usually another kind of force which acts to oppose or prevent the movement of the whole body to another. This position of force is known as friction and its magnitude depends on the nature of the surfaces of the bodies in contact. Types of friction. There are two types of friction, namely static friction and kinetic friction. Static friction, also called limiting friction, takes place when there is no motion, while kinetic friction, also known as dynamic or sliding friction, occurs when there is a motion. Laws of friction. The laws governing solid friction can be summarized as follows. First, friction opposes motion. Second, friction is independent of the area of the surfaces in contact. Third, friction depends on the nature of the surfaces. Fourth, friction is independent of the relative velocity between the surfaces. Fifth, frictional force is proportional to the normal force extended by the surface of the material on which a body rests. Static friction. Static friction is the friction between two or more solid objects that are not moving relative to each other. For example, static friction can prevent an object from sliding down a sloped surface. Table 1 shows the confliction of static friction. Part A is about friction properties. Part B is about confliction of static friction. Experiment data and result. Part A about friction properties. First, when a box not in motion, static friction force and its direction is 50 Newton. Applied force and its direction equals to 50 Newton. Sum of force is 0. Second, when a box in a motion, max friction force and its direction is 94 Newton. Applied force and its direction is 150 Newton. Sum of force is 56 Newton. When 100 kg box in motion, max friction force is 375 Newton. The magnitude of applied force necessary to move the box constant speed is 375 direction to the left Newton. Part B. Confliction of static friction. Table B1 shows wood box on wood surface 0 degree. Table B2 shows wood box on wood surface equals to 30 degree. Table B3 shows dry concrete on rubber 0 degree. Table B4 shows dry concrete on rubber 30 degree. We move on to question and discussion. First question. Plot M2 versus M1 using data from part B. Calculate COF for every cases. So there is the 4 graphs, plots of the result table B shows, and then the calculation of each data recorded. Question 2. State what can you observe from values of COF from the experiment. Confliction of friction, ratio of frictional force resisting the motion of two surfaces in contact to the normal force pressing to two surfaces together. The higher value confliction, the higher value of force that need to be applied. Question 3. State the effects regarding on the type of materials to the values of COF. The confliction of friction depends on the materials used. For example, on this lab, the friction on the wood box on the wood surface is low while the friction dry concrete on the rubber is high confliction. Question 4. State the main error that will affect the results from the experiment. Error will affect the result from the experiment if the value of the static friction is not same. If the experiment held on real situation, the main error may occur such as variation in the surface finish of the declined plane, variation of straightness and flatness of the declined plane. From this lab, we can conclude that friction is the resistance of an object encounters the moving over another. The confliction of the friction is the number which represents the friction between two surfaces, between two equal surfaces. The confliction of friction will be same. From this lab, student will able to investigate the confliction of state friction, COF, subjected to different angle. Student also able to understand relationship between the difference roughness and the confliction of state friction. Thank you.